Okay, I'm going to take the beef that I marinated. Let me push that back so you can see it. Wait a minute. Let's do it like that. Take that good old beef on out. Okay, and we're going to season it, and I'm going to put it in the crock pot. I'm going to use some Chef Carmen's Caribbean Jerk. If you don't have that, use whatever season you want. Use whatever seasoning you want. Excuse me. Then I'm going to use a little Tony's. Just a little bit. To really knock it out. Just a little bit. Swirl that baby around. Remember I poked the holes in here? Right? I'm going to put a little onion powder in here. Well, not a little, a lot. I want to season this really good. After you let it cool and slice it, you want this to taste like butter. Like butter. The black pepper. You season yours whichever way you want. But this is a good mixture right here. I've done it before. Then I'm going to take a little Worcestershire sauce. Put it in there. And that's it. And I'm going to put it in the crock pot and let it cook slow. And then towards the end, I'll put some onions in. And that's it. Quick things that don't take long. But you put a lot of love in it, but it don't take long. See you later.